Hi, it's Sam from Reno Trades and welcome to Project Piperita. We're here in the eastern suburbs of Melbourne and we're about to commence a significant renovation on this 1960s traditionally built home. So it's been 3 weeks and we're back here at Project Piperita. Come on through. So where I'm standing now is where the old wall used to be. This wall used to divide the two areas, and as you can see now, it's an open plan living. So the feature piece of this renovation is the island bench. We've incorporated 40mm stone benchtop with a waterfall on the left-hand side and USB power points on the right-hand side. We've also incorporated this billy tap, which gives you instant hot water and instant cold water. We've got soft closing hardware on all of our drawers and storage on the front of the island bench. We've supplied and installed brand new appliances, and we've also supplied and installed herringbone splashback tiles. Downlights throughout the house increase the amount of lighting. We've installed 600 by 600 porcelain tiles throughout the house. We've replaced the old walk-in pantry with a brand new custom-made walk-in pantry which incorporates a barn door at the entrance. We've supplied and installed a custom-made laundry which incorporates laminate doors and a laminate benchtop with brand new sink and mixer. If you like what you see and you're looking for a renovation, feel free to contact us for a free no obligation quote.